full view of the sleeper to Bucharest. It stretches right into the distance outside of the station. So the train has left, and quite surprisingly, there's a restaurant car on the train. We're the only people in the restaurant car. Oh, it's called a bistro. Bistro. Oh yes, because it was on the film that I did of the train. So we're actually in the bistro because it's all a bit claustrophobic sitting in the sleeper. So at least you can get out and stretch your legs a bit. So yeah, the fact is that we spent all our Hungarian money in the supermarket so we could have a picnic on the train. We had to pay, there we used up all our cash, and then we had to pay the rest on our debit card. And then here we've had to scrape around for euros because we've got no Hungarian money, and I think we're about, I don't know, 20 cents short. So anyway, they let us off. So we're waiting now for our chicken, and we're having some Czech beer, but we've got a bottle of wine and some more beers back in the sleeper.
And some cheese.
Oh, and some cheese and some meats and some crisps and some bread and some tomatoes, which could be squashed by now. So Beverly, do you want to add anything? There's your opportunity to star.
Well, Mr. Bembo is it Mr. Bembo?
Yes, that is my name.
He is very apprehensive about the sleeper. He's convinced that he's going to not sleep and need to recover tomorrow. But I think nothing will help more than just a few more beers and then carry on with the holiday. Enjoy some more trains, and more food and more beer.
Marvellous. Marvellous. Dinner on the Orient Express. Okay, so we finished our meal in the Orient Express restaurant. Very classy it was too. Very friendly, the guys were very friendly. I enjoyed that. I wish I had some more euros, I could have had some more beers there. But we did get some beers from the supermarket over there, and some water.
And some wine.
And some wine. This wine cost us about 450 florins, which is about £1.50. So we were wondering what we could do with it if we don't drink it all. Then we decided we could throw it away. Anyway, I've got some reading to do. I brought with me Night Trains, The Rise and the Fall of the Sleeper, because to be honest with you, I don't like travelling by sleeper. I can't sleep. I find it quite claustrophobic, not claustrophobic, but I do find it a bit strange. Anyway, we thought we'd give you a tour of our accommodation, which we paid, which is classified as first class. Normally, 3 people would share this compartment.
Bunk 1, bunk 2, and there's bunk 3, but it's still up in the rafters. It hasn't been made up yet.
I think this one,
spare pillows.
I think this one would come a bit lower, wouldn't it? It would come down to this level here.
I don't know.
So yeah, it would do, because otherwise, look, there's no room.
Oh, let me show the minibar.
Oh.
Ooh.
Oh, the lights have gone out.
Oh. And there we have the minibar. I mean, it's quite good. You get wash, nice mirror, and you get a little pack with a few essentials. Let's put that away for now.
And I'll give you a view from outside. So, oh no, I can't do it like that. So, there we go. So, bunk 1, bunk 2 would go at this level. That one would come down to there, and then that would be the 3rd bunk up there. So very cosy, very comfy. There's all our junk. Not enough room to swing a cat. There we go. I'll let you know how I sleep.
Or not, as the case may
Or
be.
not, as the case may be. Right. Good night from me, and it's good night from
Her.
good night. So it's just gone 7:30 and it's raining outside and it's pretty damp. As I expected, I didn't sleep that well, but having said that though, I did sleep and actually it was quite comfortable. So we got another, well in theory the timetable says we've got another couple of hours until we arrive at Brasov. But I imagine we're running late. No idea really of knowing until we go through the next station. So the train is running about an hour late, so we won't get to Brasov till about 10:30 now. And, really a lot to add. I was standing in the corridor. Sleeping compartments. There is a passenger compartment past the bistro bar, about back end of the station train, where all the locals are. Crossing a very large river. Just sort of hanging around in the corridor, sitting on the bed. But you're never too sure what you should do, what you shouldn't do. I suppose they wouldn't say anything. They just sat in the where the seats are at the back. This is the last stop before Brasov.
Hello.
So it's 9:10, so we're about an hour late at this station.
Nu vreau cum se...
See what I mean? White van goes faster than the train. It's 10:20, so about 50 minutes late arriving at Brasov railway station. So we're now going to go find our hotel, and of course we're sticking out like a complete sore bum here. So changing engines here at Brasov. I think the one that's just uncoupled and left us, I think it's a different one that actually took us from Budapest. And this one's being pulled away by a shunter. Our battery's about to run out. There's another one that was being released by the shunter taking the coaches away. So there's Brasov station building. Well, I don't think we've got any choice, have we? It was all quite harmless buying the tickets. Went to this little cubicle and bought 2 tickets to the town. The lady spoke English better than my Romanian, but then that's not surprising. So it's cost us 4 lei to get down into the town, and then you have to authorise your tickets in here.